A very good morning, students. Today I will explain you class 7 English channel unit 5 section A. This is a poem, A House with a Grey Gate. The question answers of this poem. First of all, we will do read to understand. A part. Answer these questions with reference to the context. This is the line. Expecting someone, though no one comes, nor has come for years. First question is, who is expecting someone? Answer, the old woman is expecting someone. Who is expecting means कौन किसकी आशा कर रहा था? The old one is expecting someone. Question 2. Why do you think nobody comes? Give reasons. Answer, nobody comes to the house anymore because everyone has moved away and are busy in their own life. They don't have time to visit the old people anymore. Question 3. Do you think the person has still hopes? Answer. The old people still have hopes of someone coming to visit them because whenever the gate creaks due to wind or age, they still peer through their curtained windows expectantly. Means उनको अभी भी आशा है कि कोई आएगा. B part. Answer these questions. Question 1. What are two reasons for the creaking of the gate? Answer. The two reasons for the creaking of the gate are wind and age. The gate is slightly off one hinge and always open, so it keeps creaking. Question 2. The little house is surrounded by skyscrapers. Skyscrapers means आसमान छूती इमारतें. What does this tells us? Answer. The little house is surrounded by skyscrapers. This tells us that the old people have settled and grown roots in their little house and refuse to leave, even though the area around them has developed and is surrounded by skyscrapers. They are stubborn and refuse to leave the home. Stubborn means jiddi. Question 3. The old woman knits and the old man sometimes cleans the garden. What does this tell us about old people? Answer. The old woman knits and the old man sometimes cleans the garden. This tells us that the old people live according to a set routine and daily pattern of life. Question 4. What does the open gate signify? When do you keep your gate open? Answer. The open gate signifies that the old people are expecting someone to come and visit them anytime. We keep our gate open when we are expecting guests to visit us. This is question 5. When words are used in poems, they have layers of meaning. A simple way to think of this is that they have a surface meaning and a deeper meaning. Some examples are given below. Infer the deeper meanings of other words in the poem. Students, 3 examples are given to you और बाकी के यहाँ पे 2 क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, उनके हमें डीपर मीनिंग और सरफेस मीनिंग निकालने हैं. मतलब एक ऐसे ही जो मीनिंग होता है लिटरली और एक दूसरा डीपर मीनिंग. पोम में अक्सर ऐसा होता है, एक डीपर मीनिंग होता है. तो लेट अस सी. वर्ड है स्काई स्क्रैपिंग स्ट्रीट, तो इसका सरफेस मीनिंग है ए स्ट्रीट फुल ऑफ स्काई स्क्रैपर्स. स्काई स्क्रैपर्स मीन्स आसमान छूती इमारतें, मतलब बड़ी बड़ी ऊंची ऊंची इमारतें. डीपर मीनिंग इसका क्या होगा? द प्रेशर्स ऑफ अर्बन डेवलपमेंट एंड ए मॉडर्नाइज्ड वे ऑफ लाइफ. मीन्स जो शहरीकरण हो गया है और लाइफ कैसे बन गया है? आधुनिक बन गई है, मॉडर्न बन गई है. वर्ड ग्राउंड रूट्स, इसका सरफेस मीनिंग है प्लांटेड सीड्स डेट हैव नाउ ग्रोन रूट्स एंड बिकम प्लांट्स एंड ट्रीज. मतलब जो सीड्स अब बड़े हो गए हैं और उनकी रूट्स निकल आई हैं और वो बहुत बड़े पेड़ बन गए हैं. डीपर मीनिंग क्या होगा इसका? द ओल्ड कपल हैड सेटल्ड इनटू द होम एंड वे ऑफ लाइफ and refuse to leave even amidst all the urban development taking place around them. मीन्स जो ओल्ड कपल है वो वैसे ही रह रहे हैं जैसे उनकी पुरानी रूटीन थी और वो बिल्कुल भी जो मॉडर्नाइजेशन हो गया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग बदलने के लिए अपने आप को तैयार नहीं है. This is all students. I hope you all have understood these all questions. Write in your fair notebook and learn them. Okay.